No experience is not the problem. Choosing the wrong one is. Some jobs will make you spend the whole week applying, testing, waiting for approval, and still earn nothing. But other remote jobs are simple tasks where you can prove one small skill quickly and possibly get paid this week. So I will show you 5 no experience remote jobs, but I'll filter each one by beginner fit, how it can pay this week, and the trap that wastes people's time. The rule is simple. If you cannot prove the skill fast, finish a clear task, and explain how you get paid, it is not a paid this week remote job. Let's start with the easiest remote job. Simple data entry batches. Be careful, this is also where many people get scammed. Real data entry has a clear task. Fake data entry has vague promise and asks for money upfront. Quick note, I'm Ekow, ex-investment banker turned property investor, and I break down practical money systems for people trying to earn better, manage money smarter, and build toward property investing. So, I'm not talking about pay 200 Rand to register and we will send you typing work. I mean real admin problems small businesses already have. For example, a business may have customer names sitting in WhatsApp messages, invoices, PDFs, notebooks, or messy spreadsheets. Some numbers are duplicated, some names are spelled differently, some emails are missing. Your job is simple. Turn messy information into a clean spreadsheet. That is why this fits beginners. You are not trying to become a data analyst. You are proving one simple thing. Can you take messy information and make it organized? This can pay this week because you are not waiting for a permanent job application. You are offering one clear task with one clear result. Your proof is a 10-row sample. Before, duplicated names, missing columns, untidy phone numbers. After, clean rows, clear headings, no obvious duplicates. Your pitch should be simple. I can clean your messy rows for free so you can check the quality. And if it helps, I can clean the full list within 24 hours. But if they cannot explain the exact task, deadline, payment method, do not treat it as a real job. If you are able to show 10 clean rows, you have proof. If you cannot, build the sample first. Job number 2, fixing messy product listings. This is for the online sellers whose products are listed so badly that customers struggle to find what they want. If customers cannot find, compare, or understand the product, they leave, and sellers lose money. For example, one item might say, Nike shoe, black size 8. Another says, black sneaker Nike. Another says, men's techies size 8. The product may be fine, but the listing is messy. Your job is to clean the product's name, put it in the right category, add basic tags, and make the product easier to search. On screen, the messy listing becomes Nike black sneaker, category shoes, tags, men, sneaker, black, size 8. That is why this can fit beginners. You are not running the online store. You are proving that you can follow instructions and make products easier to find. Your proof is 5 before and after examples. Messy listings on the left, clean name, category, and text on the right. Your pitch can be simple. I notice a few products are hard to search. I can clean 5 listings as a sample so you can see if it helps customers to find them faster. Look for small online shops, Instagram boutiques, and Facebook sellers with messy product names. This can pay this week because the seller does not need a permanent hire. They only need a product list fixed. But here is the trap. Do not call yourself an e-commerce manager. That sounds like strategy, ads, stock, fulfillment, and customer service. Say, I clean and categorize product list. Smaller offer, easier yes. If you cannot explain the task in one sentence, the offer is too broad. If you can clean 5 messy listings, you have proof. If not, practice before you pitch. Comment which one feels easier for you to prove first. Data entry or product categorization. Job number 3, fixing late captions. You know that annoying moment when someone is talking, but the caption is still showing the previous sentence? That tiny delay can make a good video look amateur and make people swipe away. Use the swipe test. If you swipe away because the captions are late, the creator is probably losing viewers too. This is a narrow remote job a beginner can prove quickly. You are not editing the whole video. Your job is to make the captions appear at the right time and fix obvious caption mistakes. For example, take a 60-second video where the captions are delayed. Before, the viewer hears one sentence and reads another. After, the words land clearly when the speaker says them. Your proof is a 30-second before and after sample. Late captions first, corrected captions second. Your pitch can be simple. I noticed some captions are delayed, which make the clip harder to follow. I fixed one short clip as a sample so the words match the speaker clearly. Look for creators or small pages that already post videos with messy captions. This can pay faster because creators already have the video. You are only fixing captions on clips they have already posted. But here's the trap. Do not call yourself a full video editor if you are only fixing subtitles. Say, I fixed caption timing. That is small, clearer, and easy to buy. So far, the fastest options are the ones you can pitch directly. The next two can still work, but they come with one hidden danger. Are you applying for real work available now, or are you just joining a waiting list? One can pay you, the other only gives you hope. Job number 4, voice recording task. This is where your accent can actually be the skill. Some AI and language project needs people to read short sentences, record phrases, or submit access samples from a phone. For example, a project may ask you to record 100 short sentences clearly. The job is not difficult, but small mistakes can get the task rejected. Bad audio, unclear speech, or not following the recording instructions. That is why this can fit beginners. Your proof is not a degree or portfolio. Your proof is a clean sample recording that follows the brief. Some projects may need South African accents, English speakers, or local language samples. This can pay this week if the project is open, task is clear, and payment method is explained before you record. But here is the trap. Your voice is your data. Do not submit recordings to random links just because they promise easy money. Before you record, ask 3 questions. What am I recording? Who is collecting it? Who will I be paid? If the task, the company, payment, or privacy are unclear, do not submit your voice. If the project is open and the terms are clear, this may be worth testing. Job number 5 is ad quality rater. Basically getting paid to judge whether online ads or search results actually matched what people are searching for. For example, if someone searches cheap running shoes, you may rate whether the ad is useful, relevant, and appropriate for that search. This can fit beginners because you usually do not need formal experience. The skill is patience, judgment, and following rating rules without guessing. I put this one last because it is application-based. Unlike the first 4, you usually cannot pitch it today and get paid this week. There may be tests, onboarding, and approval before you earn. So here is the rule. If you need money this week, start with task-based work first. If you can wait, apply for ad quality rater roles in the background. The trap is treating it like guaranteed quick money. If someone promises huge money immediately with no test, no guidelines, and no clear payment terms, be careful. Ask yourself, do I need money this week or can I apply now and wait? Do not make this your only plan for the week. Apply in the background but pitch task-based work first. If you need money this week and do not want to wait for approvals, watch this next video on how to start a side hustle with no money. Before you choose one remote job, use this scam filter. No clear task, no clear payments. No clear company, no application. And if you need money this week, do not choose the fanciest job. Choose the one where you can prove a small skill fastest. If you can show proof, finish a clear task, and confirm how you get paid, start there. If not, do not waste another week applying blindly. Pick one job from this video and create your first proof sample today. And if you want to check your money gap before chasing extra income, download the Money Master PDF.